Hey y'all, it's your girl Shearling. I'm back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome y'all. I'm glad we are y'all here and y'all can get to know me and I can get to know y'all. And for my day ones and the people who have been here with me, my Shearling, my Moolah gang. Hey y'all, what's up? Missed y'all. I hope everyone has had a great New Year's and sticking to your resolutions or whatever it is that you had planned for yourself or any goals that you have. So I wanted to bring this little video to you guys, which is pretty funny because I had a Justfab membership, forgot all about it. Mind you, this whole time they taking a little $39.95, whatever it is they take out, they was taking it out, and I just forgot about it. I was supposed to cancel it and never did, just got distracted with other things. And I was like, I got an email or something. I was like, I still got this darn thing. I said, let me call them and cancel this membership because I do not use it. And it was like, well, Lachey, you have $169 in credit. So before you cancel this account, we suggest that you use this because you won't have the VIP discount or whatever. So I was like, oh, wait. Y'all know I'm about to use that. Hold on, I ain't gonna cancel. I'll call right back. Let me spend this $160-something and I'll call y'all right back, and then I'm gonna cancel it because y'all ain't getting no more money from me because I do not buy anything. So I wanted to share this unboxing reveal to you guys what I got from them. It's not really unboxing for me because I picked it out, but basically I want y'all guys to see what I got. You know, unfortunately this happened on my behalf, but actually I found it to be a upside because I actually did some dope pieces, y'all. I thought that was pretty popping. I hope y'all think it's popping. I definitely will leave everything in the description box below so you guys can check it out. I mean, they actually do have some cool stuff. I forgot that they had clothes, so I got like a piece, like maybe like 2 pieces of clothing, and the rest was shoes, of course, because girls always need shoes. So we're gonna get started with this video. You guys gonna see what I bought. So I made 2 different orders actually. So let's start with the first. Okay, so y'all know it's winter, still winter. We got in January. So I saw this jacket and I thought it was so cute. I actually could have got it in a smaller size, but I got it in a 1X. So this jacket is called the Plaid jacket with Shearling collar. So y'all gonna see this jacket. And I thought this jacket was dope. Y'all see this? This is cute. And it is warm, okay? It's kind of like hip length, like, you know, waist length. It's not like super long, but this thing is cute. I just thought this was cute. And you guys can see, like, it has a button here, and you can see the collar, which is cute. And they have 2 front pockets up here. You just open it, you know, put anything in there, your phone if you're running around. And I just thought this was cute. I just love this plaid look. Like, this is definitely some old school stuff, but they bring everything old school back, like. But I just thought it was cute, and you know, they got the zipper. So I got this in a 1X, and let me see. It doesn't say the price. I don't know why, but probably because I paid for credit with it. But yeah, that was it, and I thought that was dope. Let me see, I didn't even take this out yet because I haven't worn it. So I bought this sweater. It's called the Fringey Pullover, and I also got this in a size 1X. I took it out to look at it, but I didn't even wear it. So I thought this was cute. So I just like this whole detail right here with the little fringy things. It's pretty long and it's very comfy. I think it's cute. I think you could wear some tights under the seat. Still got this head on, y'all. I think you could wear some tights and some cute knee-high boots, like some leather ones or either Uggs, but some nice cute boots. I think this would be cute, and it's very comfy. As you can see, it has like a diamond shape, like at the bottom of the sweater, and I just thought this was cute. And I was like, let's just get this, you know. It's winter. You know, you can't have enough sweaters in the winter. So, oh, and you know, this comes with it, you know, Justfab, and basically says welcome to the club. I don't know why I was already part of the club, but then I got out of the club because I was canceling that account, because y'all not getting sis for no my money, okay? Because I don't use it. So I actually got 3 pair of shoes. So let me figure out what these shoes are called. So I got these flats. They're called the Evelina flats, and I just thought these were so cute. I got them. I wear a size 9, so I got these in a size 9, and these are it, you guys. I have definitely worn these because I have a business type of job, like, and I just think, look at the detail. It's just so cute. That is so cute, and it's just, you know, it's very, very comfortable. And I think it's just super stylish. As you can see, like, this little detail, like, as if, like, I don't know, but I just thought it was cute. And I definitely love this part. Any girl would love this. And I just, very comfortable, because like I said, I, you know, have a desk job, so you gotta just business casual or whatever. So those were size 9, and they're called the Evelina flat. So I don't know who Evelina is, but girl, those flats are cute, Evelina. They're cute. So okay. So I just wore these things tonight because my bestie, we had a little B-day dinner, which didn't turn out the way we wanted it to, but we still had fun. So I wore these, and child, I could barely walk in them, but they weren't as uncomfortable. I think if I would have worn them longer, I would have been like, okay, I'm about to take these things off. But y'all know I had some flats, some sandals in the bag, because but I think these are called, okay, these are called the Makemba Block Heel Sandal, standard with size 9. I don't know what the Makemba, sometimes I try to figure out where did they get these names from, but these are the Makemba Block Heel Sandal, standard with size 9. So these are the Makembas right here. These are very standard, because you can find these type of style of shoes anywhere. And I'm gonna show you guys the heel part. See, the heel is pretty thick. They weren't that uncomfortable. I think you just probably gotta I have no arch in my feet, so it's very hard for me in heels. So I usually try to get thick block heels, like wedges or thick blocks like these, because I have no arch. So it's very different for my feet. They're true to size, just like the flats, very true to size. I wear size 9. And I just thought these were cute. This is something that you could wear to anything. If you know, if you weren't planning to go anywhere, what doesn't go with a nice black regular heel? Like, I mean, I just thought these are something. These are a must-have in your shoe collection. A must-have. Like, any type of black pumps or heels is a must-have. Like, black is a must-have. Okay. So those were the Makemba Block Heel Sandals, standard with heels. So those were the second pair of shoes I got. So the last pair of shoes I completely loved, because it just spoke to my girly heart, and I just love them. I haven't even worn them yet. I don't plan on wearing them till the summer, because they're summer. Okay. So my favorite pair of shoes that I bought in this purchase from Justfab, they're called the Jayla Platform Pump, and of course I got them in a size 9. Big behind box that I got. So these are in the box. The other ones were not. But these is cute. I don't care what nobody says. These are cute. Like, they're literally still in the paper. Like, I just did not want to take them out or nothing. Like, I took one out to look at it and just admire it, but I ain't take them out because I was like, these are staying in here. Wait. Okay. Look at these, y'all. What y'all think? What do y'all think? Okay? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Y'all know pink is my favorite color. Okay? Pink and black. Those are my two. Look at these things. These are sexy. This is definitely summer. Okay? You could wear like a white v-neck or some jeans and this. And you could wear like a white dress or sundress. Child, these are all that, and it's a nice size thick heel. I think it's, look, I'm just gonna be taking pictures of these. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all. Me and all my girlfriends, we have very cute heels that are very uncomfortable for the average woman. These are just, y'all gotta understand, when you have picture heels and heels that are, you can really walk around in. These are picture heels. I mean, I'm getting better with my walking in heels, but I feel like I need to lose some weight, because I feel like, you know, the more weight you have on you is more pressure on your feet, which I believe. If I'm wrong, correct me. But, you know, since I have went through weight changes in my life, and I've seen like a difference, not a drastic difference, but I've seen the difference from when I lost a drastic amount of weight and how much less pressure was on my feet than when I gained more weight. And it was like, you know, but your girl's still gonna look cute in them. And I cannot wear these. I'm wearing these in the summer. I cannot wait. I can't. I just think these are so dope. I do. Like, what do y'all think? Like, I'm doing like this. And they have, you know, they got the straps, you know, to put around your, and what I like about these type of straps is, like, for a woman like myself that's a little thick and I got boobs and stuff, and it's hard when I'm trying to bend over and strap my shoes, but you could just twist the strap around and put it in a place where you're comfortable and buckle your stuff up. So I love these. So these are the Jayla pump platforms, and once again I got these in a size 9 and I love them. So I'm definitely gonna leave this info for y'all, and I think I have one more item, very small item. It's called now, I don't know how I'm pronouncing this right. Do not correct me, because my ancestry video I did, of course, I didn't know a lot of African, you know, cities and stuff like that. And I was getting some you know, some blowback from, oh, you're not pronouncing the word right. How would I know if the word is right if I've never seen it before? So, of course, I might say it wrong. That's another subject, but I'm just saying, people just get on my nerves. Do not watch the video, okay? If I've already said that I don't know if I'm saying this word right, and if I'm saying it wrong, then you already know, okay? Just putting it out there. All right, but y'all, I'm just saying, this is for the other people. This ain't for my moolah game, okay? I'm just saying, y'all know people a little. But back to this. I think this is called the Chenille Hat. And this is like a winter hat. I just thought it was cute. It was something extra. I had to put something else in to spend like the last bit of my credit. So I just put this in there. I just thought it was cute. It's called the Chenille Hat. So this is the Chenille Hat. This is so cute and plush. And it's definitely cute. Look at this. I just thought this was so cute. Yeah, this is really soft, you know, really stretchy. I think you can like undo it like that if you want to. Like, it has like this big tag inside that you can cut off if you would like. I haven't worn it yet, but most likely I'll cut that tag off because that'll be annoying. But I just think, let me see if I can try some. I'm gonna mess up my unit. She cute. Wait, she cute. I'm about to wear this hat tomorrow. Okay, because I'm a hat queen, but y'all don't know. Most people that know me from when I was younger, I had a big hat collection. Very big hat. I think I get it from my mother. And I love hat. Like, I love those hats like Comic would wear and stuff like that. I love hats like that. But I'm a hat queen. I just think this is so cute with the little, I'm gonna be at the ski resort like I just think this is cute. This is really cute. Like I said, I will leave everything in the description box below if y'all would like to check some of these items out. This ain't sponsored, okay? This is not sponsored. This is just your girl that had credit in there, and I was like, look, y'all not gonna get my credit. I'm gonna spend this. So these are the things that I spent the credit that I didn't know that I had on. So y'all can see, this is cute. Now y'all gonna see me. I'm gonna post this picture on Instagram and be like, Snow Bunny. But yeah, this is the last item that I got, and I just wanted to show you guys those few items that I got from Justfab. They actually do have some bomb stuff. I just don't shop there. Like, it's not a place that I shop at. When I first signed up for it, it was a few things that I did get. I actually bought another item, but that was something for Christmas for my eye. I got her some cute boots. But you know, if you like to check them out, I mean, check them out. And then the good thing is, like, if you don't use anything and you still pay that bill for that month, it just gets credited. So I mean, I just don't use them. I'd rather my $39.95 go to something that I'm actually using, you know. So but Justfab is definitely a place for good shoes. I mean, you could definitely find something in there. I found a few things. I saw a bunch of things that I was like, oh, okay, I might buy that, but just my preference is not Justfab. Like, I shop at places and I know I'm gonna spend money there and I know I'm gonna go there. I just forgot about all this time, all these months that I was paying this bill, and it was coming out my darn account. Okay, so. But like I said, you guys can check them out. They do, as y'all can see, these cute items. They have some cute stuff, so go check them out. So I will see you guys in my next video. Don't worry about it. Please, before you leave this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell below, y'all, so y'all can know when y'all know where y'all girl gonna be here, right? When y'all wanna, trust me, check that notification bell button, all right, so you can see your girl. Let me know what you guys think of this video. As y'all can see, I had the little smoky eye look for today for going out with my bestie. If you would like me to do a video on this and how I got the smoky eye look, let me know and I'll do a video. I will see you guys Tuesdays and Thursdays. So have a good day, you guys. I hope everything was great for your new year, your Christmas. I'll see y'all guys later. Bye.